family. This is Darlene with Jewelry by BDK. I am so excited and absolutely happy about the fact that I have over 200 subscribers. And this has been in the last week and a half that my subscriber count has increased. And I so appreciate you guys, okay? So I'm going to do my best to bring you really good, solid content of tutorials, how-tos, do-it-yourselves, me working in the studio, just a whole lot that has to do with the Jewelry by BDK operations on a daily, okay? And hopefully from that, you guys can learn some tips, some tricks, some how-tos, some how-don'ts, and all that good stuff. Or even if you're considering making jewelry, or not just jewelry, just anything that you feel like you want to begin creating. I would hope that the channel inspires you, it motivates you to want to do, not only want to do, but to actually do it, okay? Because guess what? If you like it, somebody else loves it, especially if you put the time in and it's quality. They're really good, nice pieces or creations that you're creating. People will love it. People will like it. And then you'll find that you'll make so much of it to all you can do is sell it, okay? Which makes sense to me. And because everything is opening back up, chances are you can begin doing outside events like selling at street fairs and private events, conferences, all that good stuff. And then there's all kind of platforms where you can sell online, be it Etsy. I always say Etsy. Etsy just makes sense to me, okay? But it's Etsy, E-T-S-Y. Okay, Etsy, same thing. You guys know what I'm talking about. There's eBay. There's all kind of platforms where you can sell online. You can open up a Shopify, all that good stuff. But keep in mind, whenever you open those platforms and you put your product on those platforms, you yourself have to do the work to drive the traffic to those platforms in order to sell your product. That our product will automatically sell. Not true. Trust me. Okay, there is work that has to go into it. But if you feel like whatever it is that you're creating, whatever it is that you're making, if you're painting, if you're drawing on glass jars, or whatever it is that you're doing, you know, just do it. It makes sense. Do it. You know, it's what you want to do. It's what you enjoy. Just do it. And it can be done. So it's like, let's do it. Let's make it happen. But this is what I'm going to do. Because I have over 200 subscribers, right? I'm going to do a video making what I call my skinny minis. And these are really cute little dainty necklaces. You'll see. And I'm going to be giving away 3 of those, right? So that's going to be in a video following this video. Maybe sometime today. In fact, I know sometime today. Okay. So, and the only stipulation is you would have to be a Jewelry by BDK YouTube subscriber. And you would have to have been a subscriber for at least 1 week. So you can't subscribe today and then you see the necklaces today and say, oh, hey, I want that one. Well, no, you just subscribe today, right? And I'm only doing that because sometimes people will do things like I'll subscribe today because I have to be a subscriber to try to get whatever it is that's being given away. So I figure it's fair to my subscribers. Hey, subscribers, thank you. Thank you. Okay. To my subscribers that they have first chance at getting whatever it is that I'm giving away. So this is a plan to do like a lot of giveaways. Well, not a lot, but enough for you to know that I'm doing giveaways. Okay. And good stuff. And then I was thinking too, though, what I might do, which kind of makes sense to me, is do giveaways for whatever it is that I'm making on camera. So let's say like the last thing I did on camera was those wire art earrings. And I was thinking, I was like, man, I should have did it with those earrings. But you know what? No worries. Going forward, this is what we're going to do. So everything that I create on camera, well, maybe not everything. Don't hold me to that. But almost everything I create on camera. And I'll voice it and specify that, hey, I'm giving this away. So you might want to email me. And as always, whoever emails first will be the one to get whatever it is that the giveaway is. And that person will have 24 hours to claim that gift. Okay. So if they don't claim it in 24 hours, then the next person will be notified to say, hey, well, the first person, didn't contact me back. So you're the winner. And that's how we'll do it. Okay. But anyway, Darlene Knight, Jewelry by BDK, got some good stuff coming. Okay. So stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to hit the bell. Right. And then hit all. All. Right. Hit all. So you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Like the video. Be sure to like the video if you like the video. If you have a question, go ahead and ask the question. I think I've gotten pretty good about answering questions when subscribers ask questions. So if you have a question, if you have a comment, go ahead and ask, and I'll be sure to get around to it, right? It might take me a minute, but trust me, I'm going to answer you, okay? Darlene Knight, Jewelry by BDK. Thanks for coming along for the ride.